Hi guys, my name is Rohal and this is my first moto vlog. I ride a KTM Duke 390 2015 model with the slipper clutch. I've been a biker past 15 years and the Duke 390 is my fifth bike. The bikes that I had in the past are Hero Honda CBZ, Hero Honda Charisma, TVS Apache RTR 180 and Bajaj Pulsar 220 DTSI. Look at the amount of smoke coming out of this scooter. On my way to Nandi Hills, I came across a group of Benelli bikers. The group started overtaking me one by one, which provoked me to turn on my hooligan mode. I picked up my pace a little, but it was fun to ride with them for a bit. I stopped to check on my tires as the ride was a little bumpy, but found no problems with them, hence continued my ride. I loved the sound of the Benelli exhaust. So, to tell you a little bit more about me, I have always been a travel fanatic. I have traveled all around India except few states like Daman, Lakshadweep, and Jammu and Kashmir. I had quite a few international trips under my belt as well. Now, the question arises, why vlogging? And what inspired me to start vlogging? So, to answer that, I would say, since my childhood, I have always been a techie. So, being a techie, I got introduced to Facebook, YouTube, and other social media platforms quite early. Thus, years of watching videos and rigorously following YouTube vloggers like Roman Outfoot, Vitaly ZDTV, FusiTube, 6'4" Honda, Jogo 101, Baron Von Grumble, and some recent Indian motovloggers like Mumbaikar Nikhil, he's my favorite. Buff Moto, Oggy F, oh Oggy F is nice, he's good as well. Everyday India, Zohar Ahmed, um, Vikas Rachmalla, to name a few, inspired me to try and give it a shot at vlogging to share my travel and day-to-day experiences with the world. While I was going to Nandi Hills, I saw this aeroplane which was trying to land at the airport because the Bangalore airport is very near to Nandi Hills. So please continue the rest of the video and enjoy.
It's too hard to sleep. I got the sheets on the floor, nothing on me. And I
have reached Nandi Hills now. I have to park my bike first, as bikes are not allowed inside the park. But if you're traveling in a car, you can take the car inside the park by paying a minimal fee. I had to walk a little bit to reach the top, but it was worth it as the view was absolutely breathtaking. Just look at that view. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. My Instagram, Facebook, Twitter links are in the description box of this video. Feel free to add or follow me. This is me, Ruhal, signing off. You can ask me any questions in the comment section of this video. Thank you. Have a good one. Cheers.